Welcome everyone once again to E-Main TV, and today is reaction. I got y'all, man. Today is not reaction day. Today is gonna be tutorial day. That's right, tutorial day. Man, it's hard. You get tongue tied quick trying to say tutorial day. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be bringing y'all a tutorial today, man. Tutorial Tuesday. Today, man, I'll be showing y'all how to get any song on YouTube for free. You can take the song off of YouTube, put it on your playlist, play it in your car, put it on your tablet, listen to it while you clean the house, whatever. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that today. But before I do that, I would just want to say I'm showing y'all this for like personal use. A song you've been wanting for a long time. You can download it, play it in your house. This is not for distribution. Not for distribution. If you try to distribute, hey, whatever happens to you. I'm not responsible. So with that being said, let's get into this tutorial and see what the hype is all about. Let's get into this tutorial. I got my screen recorder already ready to go. So let's get into it. All right. Okay, now get this screen going. Bam. Okay. Now, as you see, I got YouTube opened up. I just picked a song, the No Guidance Chris Brown song. So right there, you see right there the downloader. Most people already got that. I already downloaded. You just hit the download. As you can see, I already downloaded the song, so I'm not gonna do it again. But you hit that, download the song. Once it's downloaded, you open up your audio software. Okay, you gotta have an audio software to do this. So you open up the audio software and you open up the file in the audio software. Even though it's a video, it's still gonna open up in there. So you find it where you got it saved at, and you open it up in the audio file. Now, once it gets to the audio file, audio software, as you can see, it breaks up into two sections. Breaks up into video and breaks up into audio. Okay, so right now, as you see, that is the audio. As you can hear, you hear it, it hit play. That's the audio. It's playing. Now, take into consideration, some of the videos have extra stuff in it. So, you gotta take that into consideration. You could just cut that stuff out. The extra stuff like the talking and stuff before the song play. You can cut that out. But this one don't have it. So, what you want to do is highlight this, because right now it's saved as a WAV file. So you want to highlight this and you want to change the format. So you go to file, you save as, and right here, as you can see, you got it right there at the top. No guidance straight WAV file. Right there is the location. That's my MP3 location. And right there is format. That's what you want to change. So click that, look for MP3. Bam. Once it got MP3, you ready to go. You hit that OK, and it's going to come up with this little notification. You just hit yes, and it's saved. Bam. It just saved as an MP3 file. So right now, you go back to your desktop, and you find it in your folder that you got it saved as, saved in, rather. And once you got it in there, you can, once you go in there and you find the file, you can click on it and play, and it'll play in your, if I'm on Windows, so it's gonna play in my Windows media player. It's Groove Music now, Groove Music. So okay, as you see, it's playing. I got the song. It's on my computer. So now, now that I got the song, what I usually do is I just Bluetooth it to my phone, or most times, or whatever device you use Bluetooth, whatever device you want to listen to. I Bluetooth it to my phone. So as you can see, I'm sending it Bluetooth Galaxy S10 Plus, connecting, and let me see my phone to get a notification. Oh, notification. Now I just hit accept. Bam, it's sending. There it goes. Now I send it to my phone right now. So while that's doing that, like I say, you're gonna need to have a YouTube downloader, which if you're on YouTube, most people got that. You'll need that, and you're gonna need some type of audio software. As you see, I'm using Adobe Audio Edition. It probably will work for Audacity and all the other ones. I'm pretty sure, but I'm not sure. So I only deal with Adobe most times. So it works for Adobe Audio Edition. See how I got tongue tied with the A's and the S's and the T's and so as it's downloading, sometimes it's a little slow, man, from computer to phone for some reason. Now, if I send this song to my wife's Galaxy S10 Plus, fast, Bluetooth, fast. It just, for some reason, computer to phone is a little slow. So as this download, once it get through download, it'll be on my phone and I can listen to it in my car or with my headphones or whatever. So that is done. So now that's done, hit finish and it's on your phone. Now if you're short for space, I got a lot of space on my computer, so I just got a new computer. You can keep it, but I don't need the video. It's just the audio, so I'm gonna delete it off my computer, and there you go. That is how. That is it. That is how you get any song for free that's on YouTube. And you probably wonder how people getting those new songs. I mean, just came out. They uploaded it yesterday, and you hear somebody playing it in their car. This is how they doing it. This is how they are doing it. So, I just showed y'all how to do this, man. If you like this tutorial, man, smash that like button. Give me a thumbs up. And also comment below what kind of tutorial you want me to do dealing with video, photography, video editing, Photoshop, anything like that. Just comment below what kind of tutorial you want me to do, and I'll start doing this every Tuesday. Tutorial Tuesday. So yeah. So if you like this video, man, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you already not subscribed to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I drop new content. So that's the video for today, man. I'd like to thank all y'all for watching eMain TV. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Be on the lookout.